the boss here. Look at this beautiful anvil. Shaping up with the sun hitting it. It's a nice thunderstorm complex to the southeast. Probably way down, halfway between Lumberton and Myrtle Beach. Way to the southeast. But look at the beautiful colors coming up off the top the way the sun hits that. Isn't that amazing? That there is a thunderstorm. It might be even big. I'm not sure if it's a severe thunderstorm. I don't think it is. Looks like it might be weakening, but it's a gorgeous one nonetheless. Scroll over.